Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today thought of preparing lamb trotters gravy. So let's get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker, and once heated, add about 2 tablespoons of dry coconut pieces, add 1 chopped onion and 6 slit green chilies, and fry until onions turn to translucent. This is one of the delicacy during rainy season. It is very good for your health. If you are suffering from cold, cough or headache, this is a home remedy for you. Add few curry leaves to it and add about a small bunch of coriander leaves along with the stems. This is the prior masala what we are preparing for the gravy. So if you are chopping unevenly also, it is fine. Anyway, later we are going to grind it. They are well done now. Switch off the flame and take it in separate bowl and let it cool down completely. To the same pressure cooker, add about 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 chopped onions and 4 slit green chilies to it. Add few curry leaves to it. Add enough salt to taste. Fry all the onions until they are translucent. Onions are done well. Now it's time to add lamb trotters. These are about 6 legs. So before adding it, you have to clean it properly and keep it aside. It's a very lengthy process to clean it and all, but at the end it's all worth it. This dish is similar to the lamb leg curry or bone soup. Add about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. I was running out of the ginger garlic paste, so grounded them freshly. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and fry for a while. Add enough water to it Mix well and add about 2 spoons of kanda lasun masala. This is a Maharashtrian masala. I shall share the recipe soon. Add about 1 spoon of coriander powder and a quarter spoon of cumin powder too. Mix well. Add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover and cook on a high flame for about 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, the previously fried masala is ready. Add about 10 cashews to it and a spoon of poppy seeds and sesame seeds paste too, and grind it to a fine paste. This is the fine paste masala which is ready. Keep it aside. Once the pressure is completely released, open and check. See how lovely they have cooked. Now again switch on the flame and let it simmer. Check salt, add if needed. Add the previously made masala paste and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add about 2 spoons of freshly ground black pepper powder. Mix well and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I have added 2 spoons of red chili powder also, but the clip has been missing. So after adding, this is the color which we are having for the gravy. Now let it simmer and shall show the final result of it. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks and it's done. Switch off the flame and serve hot with rice, roti or chapati, or even with ragi sangati. However you feel, you can have it. It's very healthy dish. Please do try it. If you like my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.